How damaged bearings grind motors down. The heart of any motor, regardless of its size or purpose, beats with the smooth rotation of its bearings. These unsung heroes keep everything running smoothly, ensuring efficient power transfer and minimal wear. But like any hardworking hero, bearings can succumb to damage, and when they do, the motor's performance takes a nosedive. Let's delve into the ways damaged bearings can grind your motor's performance to a halt. The friction factor. Imagine a playground slide after a rainy day. Slick and smooth becomes sticky and sluggish. Damaged bearings act like that wet slide, introducing unwanted friction into the system. Worn out or misaligned components create drag, forcing the motor to work harder just to maintain the same output. This increased effort translates to higher energy consumption, leading to a drop in efficiency and a rise in operating costs. The vibration vortex. A healthy motor hums, but a motor with damaged bearings screams. When bearings lose their ability to smoothly guide the shaft, the result is a symphony of vibrations. These vibrations not only annoy nearby ears but also wreak havoc on the motor's internal components. Excess vibration can loosen connections, misalign parts, and accelerate wear and tear, snowballing into further performance issues and potential breakdowns. The power pinch. Damaged bearings don't just steal power, they can also choke it off. Worn-out components increase the clearance between the rotor and stator, the magic zone where the motor's magnetism generates power. This wider gap weakens the magnetic field, leading to a decrease in torque and overall output power. It's like trying to push a car with flat tires. You put in the effort, but you barely move an inch. The headstroke hazard. Friction and reduced efficiency are a recipe for disaster. Heat. With a damaged bearing, the motor struggles to move, generating more heat due to the increased effort. This heat buildup can further degrade the lubricant, worsen the bearing damage, and eventually lead to thermal overload and motor failure. Imagine pushing that car uphill in the scorching sun. Eventually, you'll both collapse. The early retirement blues. Damaged bearings are ticking time bombs. The constant stress and vibration accelerate wear and tear on other components, shortening the motor's lifespan. Ignoring the warning signs can lead to a sudden and costly breakdown, leaving you scrambling for a replacement. So, what can you do? Regular maintenance is key. Listen for unusual noises, monitor vibration levels, and keep an eye on operating temperatures. Address any signs of bearing trouble promptly, and replace them before they grind your motor's performance down to dust. Remember, preventative care is always cheaper than a breakdown in the heat of the moment. Let's treat our hardworking bearings with the respect they deserve. Keep them lubricated, aligned, and in top condition, and they'll keep your motors humming happily for years to come. After all, a smooth-running motor is a happy motor, and a happy motor means happy operations.